Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be good and enjoying the new experience of learning that online classes provided by your school Essence Convent. And this side I'm your teacher Rahul Misra with your subject English. So let's come to the chapter. Everyone will open their chapter 1. Yeah, as on previous classes we read the chapter 3 Idiots, and we have also done the exercise question answer and fill in the blanks. Now we will work on exercise number C, tick the correct answer. So everyone will open their book and with a pencil. So, and those students who didn't have book, they contact to school management for their book so that they also can read properly. So let's continue with the exercise. As we are seeing that tick the correct answer. What did fall from the tree with a third? A nut, a mango, an apple, a coconut. So the answer will be a nut. Okay. So the second is, who was Moto? A hen, a cock, a fat boy, a tiger. Moto was a hen. Okay. Number 3, who could not come out from the cave? First the hen, the cock, the duck, all of them. So the answer will be all of them. Okay. Now we will move to the next exercise, that is, some statements are given below under column A. You have to write who said under column B and to whom said under column C. एक्सरसाइज में कह रहा है कि कुछ एक स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि किसने कहा और किससे कहा. अपनी रीडिंग चैप्टर बुक से हमें इसको रीड करके इस स्टेटमेंट को पढ़ना है और उसे यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके. हु सेड, जिसने कहा उसे हम कॉलम बी में लिखेंगे और जिससे कहा उसे हम कॉलम सी में लिखेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट इज द स्काई इज फॉलिंग. एज वी कैन सी ऑन द पेज नंबर 5, द चैप्टर इज मोटो क्राइड द स्काई इज फॉलिंग. मीन्स मोटो सेड टू हिमसेल्फ. मुर्गी ने खुद से कहा. तो हु सेड? मोटो. To whom? Herself. Okay. Why are you running so fast? What is the matter? So we will read from the book. As we can see, why are you running and what is the matter? So it will be the who said? Coco. To whom? Coco said to Moto. Okay. Yeah. On the way, she met a cock named Coco. He asked, why are you running so fast? What is the matter? So Coco said to Moto. Okay. Now we are turning to the next page, that is page number 8. The sky is falling. We are in trouble. So I am, here will be am, the missing word is I am going to the king. As we can see on page number 6, that Moto said, the sky is falling, we are in trouble, so we are going to king. Okay. तो यहाँ पे होगा हमारा Moto said to Coco. Okay. May I come with you? May I go to king too? So ये स्टेटमेंट हमारा इसके जस्ट बाद है. कोको ने मोटो से कहा जब मोटो ने उसे बताया कि द स्काई इज फॉलिंग and we are in trouble. Okay. May I come with you? May I come with you? Okay. So ये स्टेटमेंट है जब Moto and Coco when Moto and Coco ran together. On the way they met a duck named Doko. When both of them met Doko and they again said that the sky is falling, then Doko asked, may I come with you? So ये हमारा स्टेटमेंट Doko said to Moto and Coco. So यहाँ पे हमारा होगा Moto and Coco. Okay. Now the next is, what is the matter? Why are you running so fast? So this word is, when both of when the thrice were running together, what is the matter? Why are you running so fast? Ask a fox named Foxo. जब वे तीनों दौड़ रहे थे तो एक लोमड़ी उन्हें मिलती है और लोमड़ी उनसे पूछती है कि क्या मैटर है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे होगा हमारा मोटो, कोको एंड डोको, DOCCO. ओके. डू यू नो द किंग्स पैलेस? सो यहाँ पे भी सेम होगा, लोमड़ी उन तीनों से पूछती है. सो यहाँ पे होगा मोटो, कोको एंड डोको, CCO. ओके. द किंग इज देयर, प्लीज गो इन. सेम द वर्ड said by the same fox for the three of them, Moto, Coco and Doko. Okay, the exercise is now done. Now we are moving to the word power, that is exercise number E. Okay, match the following animal with their sound.